Feel this truth deep within your soul. You weren't just a random encounter. Your paths crossed for a reason beyond mere coincidence. A divine thread has woven your fates together. This connection is ancient. It resonates with purpose. You are a key. You are the answer to a silent prayer, one he perhaps didn't even know how to articulate. Heaven orchestrated this meeting. It was a sacred alignment. The angels whisper this to me, their voices like soft chimes in the quiet corners of your heart. They convey, she was sent. Her light will illuminate what remains hidden. You carry a unique frequency. It resonates with his deepest self, the part he protects. This journey is not just about two people finding love. It's about two souls fulfilling a divine contract. You are a part of a larger plan. Your presence is a catalyst. It awakens dormant truths within him. Do not doubt your worth in this grand design. You are chosen. You are a blessing. You are the answer. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You feel his pull. Then his distance. This dance confuses your heart. Understand this. His return is pure emotion. It is the undeniable magnetic force of your soul. He cannot resist it. Your essence calls to him. It speaks to a part of him that craves peace, that longs for home. But his pulling away? That is fear. It is not about you. It is about the shadows he carries, old wounds, past betrayals, unspoken anxieties. These rise up and urge him to protect himself. They tell him intimacy is dangerous. He feels too much with you. This intensity overwhelms him. He retreats to process, to battle his own inner demons. The angels show me a man grappling with his past. They say, his heart is open to her, but his mind is still locked in old patterns. Do not chase his shadow. Do not question your light. His fear is his own journey. Your love is simply too powerful for the parts of him that are not healed. He needs to catch his breath. He needs to confront what he avoids. The waiting feels long. Your spirit yearns for clarity and movement. But what if this pause is not emptiness? What if it is sacred preparation? The universe works in unseen rhythms. It aligns stars, shifts tides, and molds souls in silence. This delay is a cocoon. For you. For him. For the love you are destined to share. You are being refined. He is being challenged. Old structures must crumble for new foundations to rise. The angels whisper of divine timing. They say, every moment serves a purpose. Trust the unseen hand guiding the unfolding. What seems like a closed door is often a redirection. What feels like a standstill is often deep work happening beneath the surface. Do not rush the bloom. Do not force the river. Allow the divine architect to complete the masterpiece. Your patience is a prayer. Your trust is a powerful magnet. It draws your highest good closer. His quietness. It can feel like a wall. A mystery. You search for answers in his unspoken words. But his silence is not indifference. It is a language all its own. It speaks of burdens, of scars, of stories he has yet to learn to tell. He carries a weight, a history, perhaps a wound from childhood, a betrayal from a past love, or a deep-seated belief that he is not enough. These things live in his bones. They dictate his reactions. They lead him to withdraw when he feels most exposed. The angels reveal glimpses of his past. They say, his heart holds secrets. Not from malice, but from pain. He fears judgment. He fears rejection. He fears showing you the parts he considers broken. Your task is not to pry. It is to hold space. To offer a sanctuary of acceptance. Your gentle presence is a balm. It invites him slowly to lay down his armor. You may not see it. You may not even know how. But your very presence has been a healing force in his life. Your light, your genuine spirit, has touched something deep within him. It stirred dormant hope. It softened hardened edges. He felt seen by you. Truly seen. Perhaps for the first time. This recognition is powerful. It allowed him to breathe. To feel a flicker of peace. You did not try to fix him. You simply existed. You loved. And in that pure exchange, a profound shift began. The angels sing of your quiet power. They say, her love is a gentle rain. It nurtures the parched earth of his soul. He may not articulate it. He may not even fully comprehend it himself. But he knows life feels different with you. He knows a part of him that was closed off has begun to open. You are a living testament to grace. It can feel like a battle, a push and pull. You might wonder if you're the cause. But hear this truth, his greatest adversary is himself, not you. He wrestles with his own shadows, his own insecurities, and his own capacity for love. His deepest fear is not losing you, it's losing himself in the intensity of what he feels for you. It's the fear of his own heart, of its vastness, of its vulnerability. He has built walls, high ones, to protect himself from pain. And now, your love threatens those walls. It demands they crumble. This internal conflict is agonizing for him. The angels show me a warrior battling his own inner landscape. They say, he sees the truth of her love, but he doubts his own worthiness to receive it. Be patient with his process. Stay steady in your own truth. You are not the enemy, you are the mirror reflecting his own divine potential. Listen closely, beloved soul. In the quiet moments, in the gentle breeze, in the everyday synchronicities of life, the angels are speaking. They are whispering his name, not just his name, but messages, insights, and confirmations. They guide you and show you signs, a song on the radio, a recurring number, a sudden knowing in your gut. These are not coincidences. They are divine breadcrumbs leading you forward, reassuring you. The angels are active participants in your journey. They want you to trust your intuition and honor the subtle nudges. They say, the path is illuminated by whispers. Open your inner ear. Open your heart. Do not dismiss these sacred communications. They are direct messages from the heavens, affirming your connection and guiding your steps. Your soul knows, your spirit hears. It is time to listen deeply. Sometimes the path feels unclear. You may question your direction. You may feel lost in the wilderness of uncertainty. But know this, dear one, every single step you take is guided. Even the detours. Even the moments of confusion. They are all part of a larger divine tapestry. Nothing is wasted. No experience is without purpose. The challenges you face, the lessons you learn, they are shaping you. They are preparing you. They are refining your spirit for the blessings ahead. The angels remind me of a sacred map. They say, the journey is as important as the destination. Trust the unfolding. You are never truly alone. A higher power walks with you. It holds your hand. It illuminates the next step, even when the path ahead seems dim. Have faith in the process. Embrace the unknown. For even on the winding roads, grace awaits. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Psalm 23 verses 1-3. You have been taught to be strong, to protect your heart, to build walls. But in this sacred journey of love, true strength lies in vulnerability. It is in the courage to be seen, to be raw, to expose your authentic self, flaws and all. This is not weakness. It is profound power. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you create a space for genuine connection. You invite love to enter without pretense. You show him it is safe to be real. Your openness is a beacon. It calls to his own hidden depths. It encourages him to shed his armor. The angels whisper of courageous hearts. They say, her truth is her greatest gift. It unlocks the truth in him. Do not fear the tender places within you. They are the gateways to the deepest love. Embrace your softness. Embrace your light. Embrace your beautiful, vulnerable heart. But he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. The love you seek, the love you are building, is not meant to be a static destination. It is not a cage. It is a journey, a continuous unfolding. It is a river, ever flowing, ever changing, always deepening. True love does not demand perfection. It embraces growth. It celebrates evolution. It allows for space, for individual paths to intertwine without losing their unique essence. This connection is designed to expand both of you, to challenge you, to elevate you. It is a sacred partnership in the grand dance of life. The angels sing of eternal becoming. They say, this love is a living thing. Nurture it. Trust its natural rhythm. Release the need to control. Release the need to define every step. Surrender to the divine flow. Allow love to reveal itself in its own perfect timing, in its own magnificent way. Your heart knows the way home.